The idea of a Jewish war against Nazi Germany is an anti-Semitic conspiracy theory promoted in Nazi propaganda which asserts the Jews, acting as a single historical actor, started World War II and sought the destruction of Germany. Alleging that a war was declared in 1939 by Chaim Weizmann, president of the World Zionist Organization, Nazis used this false notion to justify the persecution of Jews under German control on the grounds that the Holocaust was justified self-defense. Since the end of World War II, the theory has been popular among Holocaust deniers. After the Central Powers' defeat in World War I, false rumors emerged in the Weimar Republic and Hungary alleging that the Jews in those countries conspired with foreign Jews in order to undermine the war effort. Some also accused European Jews of working together to start the war for the purpose of ruining Europe and leaving it vulnerable to Jewish control. Jews were also blamed for manipulating the peace negotiations to produce an unsatisfactory result in the post-war treaties for their own profit. Nazis claimed that the anti-Nazi boycott was an aggressive action by Jews and launched the Nazi boycott of Jewish businesses in retaliation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.